Good morning. I would like to buy one ticket, please. I am visiting the city today.
Good morning. Welcome to the City Art Museum. Are you purchasing one standard adult ticket?
Yes, just one adult ticket for today's entry. How much does a single ticket cost, please?
A standard adult ticket costs $25. We accept payment with cash or any major credit card here.
$25 is a fair price. I will pay with my credit card now. Here's my card for you to use.
Thank you. I am processing your payment now. Do you happen to have any student identification for a discount?
No, I am afraid I am not a student anymore. I will gladly pay the full price for the standard admission today.
That is fine. Your payment has been approved successfully. Here is your printed entry ticket.
Thank you for the ticket. Does this price include access to all the special collections today?
Yes, this standard ticket gives you entry to all permanent and temporary exhibits today. You can see everything inside.
That is great. I really want to see the famous old paintings exhibition. I heard it is absolutely fantastic.
That special exhibition is very popular right now. It is located on the second floor in the large West Wing section.
Is the museum very crowded today? I hope I can walk around easily without too many people blocking the art.
It is a little bit busy this morning, but not overly crowded. The main gallery rooms have plenty of space for visitors.
That sounds manageable. Is there a place where I can safely leave my coat and my small shoulder bag?
Yes, we have a complimentary cloakroom service just past this desk. You can leave your belongings there safely for free.
Thank you for that useful information. I do not want to carry my heavy winter coat around the warm rooms.
I will give you a small museum map now. You can use this map to find the different floors easily and plan your path.
Thank you for the map. I will look at it closely while I wait in line for the cloakroom.
If you have any further questions, please ask me now before you enter the grand main hall.
I have one or two more questions about the main gallery rooms. I want to plan my route and time efficiently.
I am ready. What would you like to know about the exhibits or the museum rules today? I can help you plan.
First, how long does the average visit usually take? I need to know the total estimated time for my schedule. How long does the average visit usually take? I need to know the total estimated time for the whole museum.
If you want to see everything carefully, I would recommend at least 3 hours. It is a very large museum building with many wings.
3 hours is a good amount of time. I want to spend enough time looking at the famous old paintings exhibition.
The main collection of old paintings is located upstairs. You could easily spend 2 hours just in that large gallery section alone.
Where is the entrance to the second floor? Should I use the main staircase or the big elevator?
The main stairs are directly behind the cloakroom area. The big elevator is also available right next to the wide staircase.
I will use the staircase now. I do not want to wait for the elevator if it is very slow today with many visitors.
Do you know the name of the most famous painting you wish to see? I can mark its location on your map for you now.
Yes, I want to see the masterpiece called The Golden Tree. Is that difficult to find in the large upstairs gallery?
The Golden Tree is a very popular painting here. It is displayed in the central room of the West Wing on the second floor.
Central room of the West Wing. That sounds clear and easy to remember. Will there be many large signs pointing the correct way?
There are clear directional signs everywhere on every floor. Just follow the signs for the Masterpiece Collection to find it easily.
Thank you for pointing out the name of the collection. That will make finding the specific room much simpler for me.
Also, we have a very good special exhibition of modern art today. It is located on the ground floor near the museum cafe.
Modern art is interesting, but I personally prefer the old masters more. I think I might skip the modern section today.
That is completely your choice. Are there any specific rules I need to know about the old painting gallery rooms?
For example, can I take pictures of the paintings with my phone? I want to take a few photos to remember the great art.
You can take pictures, but absolutely no flash is allowed in any of the painting galleries. The bright light can severely damage the old artworks over time.
I understand. No flash photography at all. I will make sure my phone's flash is completely turned off and disabled.
Please also ensure you do not touch any of the artworks or their frames. The museum guards watch closely and will stop you immediately.
I would never touch the art. I will keep a safe distance from all the ropes and barriers provided around the paintings.
Perfect. Now, I have one final service detail to tell you about your visit before you leave the counter.
What is that final detail? I want to have all the information before I start walking upstairs.
We have a very informative audio guide system available for a small extra fee. You might find it extremely useful for detailed history.
You mentioned an audio guide system earlier. How much does it cost to rent one of those devices for my visit?
Yes, the audio guide is available for a small fee of $5. It is a very helpful device for deeply understanding the art.
$5 is a very reasonable price for the entire day. Do I need to leave a deposit for this small electronic device?
No deposit is necessary for the device today. You just pay the $5 and you can keep it for your entire visit.
What kind of specific information does the audio guide provide about the paintings? Is the information detailed or just simple facts?
The audio guide provides detailed commentary about hundreds of exhibits. It tells you the artist, the historical context, and the meaning of the work.
That sounds absolutely excellent for visiting the old paintings exhibition. I would definitely like to rent one of those audio guides, please.
Wonderful choice. I will process the small $5 rental fee now. Do you want to pay with the same credit card as the ticket?
Yes, please use the same card for this small payment. It is easier than paying with cash money.
Okay. Processing payment. Thank you. Your payment is now complete. Here is the small audio guide device and a pair of clean headphones.
How do I correctly use this device when I am standing in front of a painting? Is there a special number I need to type in?
Yes, you will see a small number plaque next to every major artwork. Just type that number into the device and press the play button.
That seems very simple to operate. Which language is the guide recorded in? Is English available to listen to?
Yes, the guide is available in 5 different languages, including perfect English. You can select your preferred language using the menu now.
I will select the English language immediately on the device. Thank you for showing me how to operate the guide.
Remember to keep the headphones securely around your neck when you are not using them. Please be careful not to drop or lose the small device.
I will be very careful with the device and the headphones. I will return everything here to the reception desk before I leave the museum.
You must return the equipment here to the ticket counter before the museum closes tonight at 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock is plenty of time for my 3-hour visit. I will return the device well before the official deadline.
Perfect. You now have your entry ticket, your map, and your detailed audio guide. You are fully ready to start your visit upstairs.
I think I will head upstairs to the West Wing now to find the golden tree. Thank you for all your patient help, Tom.
My pleasure, Anna. I hope you enjoy seeing the golden tree very much. It is truly the most beautiful painting in our museum.
Excuse me, sir. Could you please help me for a quick moment? I have been looking for the exit for 5 minutes now.
Good afternoon. Yes, of course, I can help you with directions. Are you having trouble finding a specific hall?
I was looking for the exit to the 3rd floor, but I seem to have walked the wrong way. The signs are confusing me greatly.
I understand. The layout of these older wings can't be quite tricky for new visitors. Are you trying to leave the entire building?
No, I am trying to find the Roman sculpture exhibit on the 3rd floor. I still have 1 full hour left for my visit.
Ah, the Roman Sculpture Hall is actually on the opposite side of the building from here. You have walked quite far the wrong way.
Oh no, I must have followed the wrong sign for the West Wing. I am terrible at navigating large, identical rooms.
Don't worry at all about the mistake. I will point you in the correct direction now. It is easy to correct your route from this specific spot.
Thank you. I really need to find that sculpture exhibit before the museum starts to close for the evening.
Go back through that archway behind you now. Walk past the 2 large, identical marble statues you just saw.
Go back past the 2 large marble statues. Is there a big glass door after I pass those statues?
Yes, you will see a large metal door leading to the central staircase. Do not use the smaller staff service stairs.
Use the large central staircase. Do I go up or down when I finally find that staircase entrance?
You must walk up 2 flights of stairs to reach the 3rd floor level. The sculpture hall is straight ahead when you exit the stairs.
Up 2 flights of stairs to the 3rd floor. That sounds much simpler than the map made it look.
Once you are there, you will see the huge banner that clearly says Roman Antiquities. You absolutely cannot miss it then.
Thank you for that excellent landmark. I will look only for the big central staircase now to correct my path.
Please remember, do not touch any of the pedestals or the sculptures in that hall. We have a very strict non-touching policy.
I remember the rules clearly. No touching and no flash photography. I will respect the artworks here entirely.
I appreciate that very much. Now, is there anything else I can assist you with in this specific gallery today?
No, thank you. I am ready to walk quickly to the 3rd floor now. You have been extremely helpful, sir.
My pleasure. Enjoy the magnificent Roman sculptures. They are quite beautiful to see up close.
Hello again, Tom. I have finished my visit to the museum now. It was absolutely wonderful.
Welcome back, Anna. I am so glad to hear you enjoyed the beautiful art. Did you find the golden tree painting?
Yes, I found the painting easily and spent a long time looking at it. It was truly magnificent, just as you promised.
That is excellent. Did you manage to find the Roman sculpture exhibit after you corrected your path?
Yes, Guard Michael helped me find the central staircase.
The sculptures on the third floor were very impressive too.
I am happy to hear that our staff helped you navigate the difficult building layout. We try to be helpful to everyone.
I have the audio guide device here to return to you now. I used it for almost every famous painting.
Thank you for returning the device safely. Did the audio guide work well for your visit?
It worked perfectly and provided very interesting facts. It definitely made the visit much more valuable for me.
That is what we aim for. I will just check that the device is complete and undamaged now.
Everything is there. I was very careful with the device and the headphones the entire time.
Everything is fine. Thank you for taking such good care of our equipment. Here is your ticket stub.
Thank you. I will keep the ticket as a small souvenir from my visit today.
Did you manage to find the gift shop before coming to the exit? Many people buy small postcards there.
Yes! I bought a few postcards with pictures of the golden tree. I will send them to my friends back home.
That is a very nice idea. I hope your friends enjoy the pictures of our famous artwork.
Now I must leave to catch my next train from the station. Thank you again for all your kindness and information, Tom.
You are very welcome, Anna. I hope you have a safe journey back home.
Goodbye, Tom. Have a great rest of your day working here at the museum.
Goodbye. We hope you visit our City Art Museum again sometime soon.